This is Bart Gibson in for MQU, and I'm did a amateur radio park activation from McKinney Lake State Fish Hatchery in Hoffman, North Carolina, near the racetrack in Rockingham. Here's my setup today. Used the Endfed over the tree limb and stretch it all the way back there. I had about 20 contacts, And what's significant about today is I had 12 Morse Code or CW contacts. So I activated the park for the first time with mainly Morse Code contacts. Once you learn all the characters, don't be too worried about if they go too fast. Just type the question mark symbol, dot dash dit, or say the word again. And they've slowed down for me, and I was able to copy them, and real happy about that. And if I had to do it again, one station I had to do several times. I was embarrassed, but that's okay. I got it done. One of them, I think, I kind of gave up. I think I lost one person there. But never did learn how to use a fishing rod, so I just throw the little rope up over the tree and bring it that way. And got Puerto Rico as my first contact. Big 10-meter ARL contact was today. So, but I don't know what was wrong. I couldn't seem to raise anyone. So, anyway, I just mainly did POTA. And had a great day. Beautiful day, not too cold. Thanks for watching. 73. Oh, see my website, n4mqu.com. So after the first video I made, I decided to go back and try it on 40 meters, and I had about 30 contacts on there. So that was pretty good. So thought I'd come back and give everybody an update. And had something weird go on my HAMRS. I would put in a call sign, and it just would delay, and then it would just seem to put in a different state for that person I just worked. So I don't know what was going on. I think there was a little delay. I might have to go back to paper. So I think I like paper anyway, but I'll just trying different things. Don't get in the rut. Thanks for watching.